Hey guys, it's Bismoto. Just gonna do a walk around for the ZS190 swap I did on this Vader Honda Grom clone. Yeah, this is the ZS190 motor. It has a GP low mount exhaust on it. I got the the white wall tires with the powder coated white rims. I got them balanced. You can see the weights on them. Makes a big difference. This bike, I got it up to like 78 miles an hour so far, and doesn't shake or wobble or anything, so the balancing really helped out a lot. Put the Pro Taper bars on with the Pro Taper pillow top grips. Really nice. I got the LEDs in the headlight. Put the stock levers back on because I think they just got so much more leverage than the blue anodized ones I had. So I kind of like these better. I even kind of like the look of them just being black on there better. So, but yeah, guys, it's really amazing how dirty a white bike gets so fast. Never thought it would get this dirty that fast. I put this on here. This is off of a scooter, actually. It's a drain for the fuel. So that way, if I want to do it, I just open up here and open up the little drain thing here, and it'll just drain out there, and that way I'm not dripping gas out all over the motor. So that was kind of cool. I stole that off one of my little scooter motors. So that worked out really well. Put the Honda Grom rear swing arm on it, actual Honda Grom. I had to shave the little bushings that are in the swing arm a little bit. Not very much, just like a tiny bit. And it's perfect so far. I put Honda Grom wheel bearings in here because I destroyed the ones that were in it when I got the rims powder coated, so oops. My oil catch can, you can see it there. That helps out a lot. When I first got this motor put in and I ran it pretty hard, and the motor wasn't like quite broken in yet, and it had a lot of blow by and blue oil all over my nice white rims and tires, and made a mess out of my white walls, but I got it pretty well cleaned up. You guys see I got the Honda Grom seat on here. All this shit went on perfect, no problems. I did replace every single piece of plastic though. The black plastic, the underpan here, all of this is all Grom. This is all Grom. All this black here. Every piece of plastic replaced with Grom. Even I believe it was, this side here, the plastic that's behind here that holds the lock, I even replaced that with Honda Grom, and I had to buy the lock holder, the metal pieces that hold the key in here. I had to buy all that, and that worked perfect. I got my license plate mount in the back, tail tidy, whatever. Super nice, guys. This bike turned out really good. I couldn't be more happy. I actually got braided brake lines for this. I got them off of Wish.com. I see these people buying the Core Moto ones and all that. I mean, yeah, the Core Moto ones are super nice because you got the nice banjo bolts on it and stuff like that. But does that really help the bike perform any better? I highly doubt it. So, Wish.com, you get those braided cables for I think I got them for like $6 for each one, so versus 100 and what was it, like 150 they wanted for the Honda Grom ones. So that's your choice. Do what you want, but that's the route I took. I put these lights on here. I had to buy this little aluminum piece because these are MSX boomerangs and not the Grom ones, so they're a little different shape here. So I had to buy this block-off plate to block a hole that was here. And then I'll use these little blinker things I got off of Wish.com again. So I think those were like 95 cents a piece or something like that. And I hear people getting them even cheaper than that. So, but yeah, guys, this is the bike. It is what it is, I mean, whatever you think. I mean, this thing cooks. Like I said, I got it up to 78 so far. I haven't pushed it again after that because I don't want to. I want to break the motor in first. I want to get it at least, maybe I don't know, 800 miles maybe I want to break it in for. So, but yeah, guys, that's the ZS190 right there, and I'm gonna let you guys go, and I'm gonna get back to riding. I'll talk to you later. Bye.